Now this is a thermometer for your oven. It turns on as soon as you open this up. It turns on. It's a pretty hot day today. So there you have it at 30 degrees. Now that's locked. Section over here, so let's just press that. Right, and then we've got the settings. So you can press settings. And then you've got temperature, language, brightness, and reset device. Let's reset the device. Confirm device reset. Yes. 88.2 Fahrenheit. See, we can change that. Settings, temperature, press that one. Celsius, F for Fahrenheit. Press the little tick there. Press the setting again. Let's have a look, see what happens there. But it's at full brightness. You can see it's changed a little bit. Too much brightness. Press this here, got an arrow. I'm learning at the same time as you. Alright, language. Let's just press that, see what language we get. English or Spanish. I'm going to stick to that. I don't want my son to be upset because it's his thermometer. Language again. So if we go on settings again, cooking. Press cooking. What do you get? You slide it along. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And I do have more DIY videos on my channel.